I think that most law schools have probably fallen into the into implementing AI too slowly. You've probably heard examples of law schools that absolutely prohibit their students from using AI tools. I respectfully take a different approach. It's that the way I compare that to is if you go tell an engineering student you cannot use a scientific calculator or some other powerful tool. AI is going to absolutely transform the legal profession. And so we should be training our students from the get go about what this tool is. Now, in terms of how we train them, this is where I have some very strong personal opinions. I think that most law schools that are jumping into this are correctly training law students in the law of AI. And that makes sense. We're lawyers. We should know what the law of AI is. But I think that there's a step that is sometimes skipped, which is to teach law students about the technology of AI. The way that I put it is that let's compare it to, say, a car. You don't necessarily need to be a mechanic to operate a car, but it's very helpful to know what's the engine, what's the brakes, what's the door handle, those types of elements. I think it's the same for AI as well, that it is extremely important for attorneys that are going into the AI field to have at least, call it an AI Tech 101 level of understanding of what that is. To my knowledge, there are very few law schools that are teaching that. I'm actually quite proud to say that Loyola is one that is offering this training. Now, that will evolve in how we provide it, but I do encourage any law school professionals in your audience to encourage the teaching of AI foundational technology elements as well as the law.